That. Tell me that make a fire alarm go off. Hey. How y'all doing today? You know what? I want to show y'all something. Want y'all to hear something I hear. My damn hair. I want y'all to hear something right quick. Can y'all hear that noise? Y'all probably can't, so you know what? I'm gonna take you, let you hear what's going on. Hold on, let me change. Oh damn, I can't make the camera view wider. But as soon as I started recording, here it is. Y'all hear that? As soon as I start recording, look. That start happening. Tell me, it feels like it be a sign. You know what I'm saying? Don't record the damn video. Or when I get my groove on. I'm sorry y'all can't see, but I don't got none of the lights on up in the crib, but right here. I'm like, dude, come on. I'm flowing with the videos. I'm going. And then I start hearing the noise. And now it was on this one singing, freestyle singing thing. I was taping, and then near the end of it, I start hearing that. I'm like, what the hell going on? You know? And when I went into the hallway, hold on, let's look out here and see. Okay, yeah, there's. So they responded to it pretty quick. It been on for about probably going on 10 minutes or so. Why they across the street? And I think there's. Hold on, I'm gonna open the damn window. Damn it. So it must be something going on. Oh damn, I didn't even know it was snowing outside. It's freaking snowing. So that started happening as soon as I started recording. You know what I'm saying? Oh damn. Too close. Yeah, so I'm in my zone recording. That's no damn hallway fire alarm start going off. Set the camera. Damn things start going off. Damn fire alarm. So I'm like, oh boy, what's going on? But when I went in the hallway, guess I saw some smoke, but it didn't smell like something was burning. You know what it smelled like? Weed, gristle, endo, some loud, some kush. It smelled like tall smoke. That. Tell me that make a fire alarm go off. At least in this hallway, I'm in the building with 3 entrants. And at least down on this end, it smelled like some strong endo. Man, I know down. Will that make a fire alarm go off? Or maybe that's the smoke alarm. Excuse me, probably it's the smoke alarm. Maybe that's for fires and smoke, I don't know. So I'm gonna say the smoke alarm. Because that was, man, I went up in the hallway like, it's like I'm disappointed of the noise, but I want that smell So I need a little choke, a little something, my damn self. But anyways, I just wanted to show y'all that real quick now. Interrupting me, man. Now I gotta wait till they stop it. No telling how long that's gonna be, man. What the hell do y'all gotta do to stop it? You can't hit a switch? I guess not, cause it's still going. Can y'all hear it? Be quiet, listen. But anyway, I'm gonna have to wait and continue recording. Besides that, hey, when I'm in the mood, you need to catch me in that mood. But now, after they done doing that, I might not even want to record nothing. So, I see you when I see you, and I wouldn't want to be you.
Darrell, R.D.P. You mother effers.
They need to stop that damn fire alarm in the damn hallway, though. They need to stop that fire alarm going off up in the hallways.